If there's one type of game that students that take my courses seem to love, and those are card games. So this idea for the game came to me from a really simple card game where you divide a deck of cards. Each player gets a certain stack of the cards, dealt a certain stack of the cards, and then really the objective is you simply turn over the top card. Whoever has the highest card wins the pot, and you try to get all of the cards. So if you run out of cards, you lose. If you get all of the cards, you win. So this is a JavaScript game, and it's also very visual. So I've added in the visual cards as well so that we can have a really nice presentable game for people to play it. And there's also some dynamic stuff here where you can select the number of players. It will automatically deal out the cards to each one of the players. And also, if you have played this kind of card game before, you know it kind of gets quite lengthy and quite long and boring. So I've also added in, because of course we're JavaScript programmers and we can add in some functionality that we want to add in, make things a lot quicker. So we can play hundreds of rounds instantly with this game, and it's going to run through all of the code instantly, showing you everything. And that's an added feature that I've added into this game to make it more functional and to, quite honestly, to prevent boredom. So let me show you. So you come in and you can select any number of players you want. In this case, I'm going to select 4 players. So we see that each one of the players gets the cards dealt out with them. And it seems like player 4 has the high card here. So each player started with 13 cards, because that's the deck of cards is 52. So each one got dealt 13, and player 4 had the high card. So he won, or she won, all of the other cards. So that's been added in, and now we can attack as many times as we want, and we can update the amount of rounds that we play through as well. And you can see the scoring of all of the cards is down there below. So if you wanted to run like 500 rounds or something like that, you can see which players have lost, which players have won. And there's also a functionality in here, if they're drawing the same card, then we draw the next card until one player either runs out of cards or the other player matches and beats the card of the existing player, and then that's the one that's the winner. So the winner is in green. Let's do 500 more rounds, and we see that player 4 is still hanging on here. So this is over 1,000 rounds we've played. It also tracks down who won. All of this stats is being written out here, so you can see each round that gets played, it gets added into the scoring there. So a lot of really cool functionality in this game, and I do suggest that you try it out and have some fun with it, enjoy it, and see what you can do and see what tweaks and updates you can make to this game. Thanks again for taking this section.